Hey y'all, so this is Down to Mars. Welcome to my channel. I'm giving y'all an update on my plant babies. Today I got my son out here with me.
Hi.
It's my future chef, y'all. So what we doing is we just updating y'all on the growth of the plants after they had took a big fall from being overwatered from the rain. As you can see, it definitely did rain out here last night, but I put them in the garage because I can't take it. These are the green beans and the pinto bean. This is the pinto bean right here. It's growing pretty good, y'all, but as you can see, the battle with nature is never over because the bugs still got to them, but the diatomaceous earth definitely does help a lot to keep them from eating them. But they're growing good, y'all. Look, they all have their true leaves pretty much. They all have new sprouts.
I mean, if you just beat out one sprout, because we got one sprout.
And then this is the zucchini squash. We got another new sprout up in there. That was my backup in case we lost the zucchini. And all of them are doing good. Look, they got some new leaves, new sprouts. This one has one slowly but surely. And this one has two. And then this was my bok choy that we lost. And this back Bacardi. And I made sure not to put too many seeds in there like I did last time. Last time I had overcrowded them. But this time I think I only planted 2 in each spot. This is the cabbage. It still hasn't sprouted yet. This right here is Kumbayas, my cucumber plants. And they're all growing pretty good. This one's probably doing the best. And the rest of them, they're coming along. And then this is the watermelon. I actually have a backup watermelon because I wasn't sure this one was growing. But this one has some more sprouts coming out of the sides. But, you know, they still got bit. As you can see, this leaf, this sprout is kind of hanging on. But I did do a backup just in case we lost that one, which is this one right here.
What's that one? Looks like that one just grew.
Yeah, that was watermelon. That was a backup watermelon that I grew. And that one was from an actual watermelon seed. Those were packaged. Now this is Hallelujah, my jalapenos. I did separate them because they were close together, and I just put them in a row so that they won't be growing all on top of each other. And they're doing real good, y'all. And then this is my tomato plants. I had to move those over too. And they're growing real well. This is my okra. We got 2 new sprouts over here because I had to replace those also from the attack of the cutworm. This one is the only one that really fought through all of the stress and strain of being out here. And this one is still trucking.
Yeah, but it has a bite mark.
Yeah, it got bit. It lost the sprout on the side, but it's all right. It's still going, so we're going to still work on it. All right, this is my sweet peppers, Pepper Ann. Still growing, slowly but surely. It has a new little sprout on the side also. This is my radish. The radish has grown pretty fast, but it also got, look, you can't win out here. You can't win. Can't win them all. But they're growing pretty good, and they grew pretty fast. This is my habanero plant. This is hot stuff. And they're growing pretty good. This one took a long time to grow. But so I'm glad to see it sprout, because at first I was like, I don't know if it's defective, child. I don't know what's going on, but it's going, it's doing well. This is my Brussels sprouts. They actually did survive. And they're growing, they're starting to get another little sprout. And this is Channing Tater, my potato plant that I grew. And it's doing really good.
But you the best plant.
Now this is Elvis parsley. It's growing in pretty good. My parsley. This is cilantro. I called it Sicily. That one's growing pretty good. And then this right here is Kelly rolling. This is kale. And this is doing pretty good also. I had to restart my strawberries because I saw somewhere where if you put a sliver, like a cut of strawberry onto a slice of potato, that it would grow a strawberry plant really fast. And I hate to tell you, but it did not work. The potatoes, the slice started to grow.
Yeah, but the strawberries rotted.
Right, the strawberries rotted and it did not grow. So I regrew them. I cut up one whole strawberry and then I put one slice with the root still intact and the rest of the slices I just put off into the soil and covered them in the container that they came in to keep the moisture in. And I will keep y'all updated on the growth of those strawberries. But I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I will be keeping you guys updated. I will see you guys later. Would you please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video? And also, if you want to keep up with me on my other social medias, please go and follow me on those websites. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys later. Thank you.